Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Sarah, and today we're going to be making authentic Chinese fried rice with my tofu scramble. And if you missed that last week, it's in the description below. My mom was born in Canton, China, so she makes the best authentic Chinese food. So I veganized her recipe today, and I'm also going to let you in on a little family secret on how to get perfect fried rice every time. First off, you want to chop up some green onions, set those aside, and then dice up some shiitake mushrooms. In a large skillet or wok, add olive oil, and you'll want to put that on medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms, frozen peas and carrots, and stir occasionally until cooked. Alright, so here's the secret, guys. We're going to be using day-old rice in this recipe. So next you're going to want to add that, break it up with a spatula, and add in the tamari, tofu scramble, and salt and pepper, white pepper that is. Cook for a couple of minutes, add in the green onions and sesame oil, and cook for another few minutes. Next, you're going to add in any additional salt, white pepper, or tamari to taste. So here it is. It's all finished. Super delicious. I tasted it. You can eat this on its own or serve it with your favorite dish. I like to eat it with my chicken flavored soy curls. The recipe for that is down below in the link, or you can just eat it with some steamed veggies or whatever you like. All right, so I'm just gonna dish this up here. Don't forget to like this video. I hope you try out this fried rice because it's pretty amazing, super delicious, very authentic, and it's got all those delicious flavors in it. Definitely better than takeout, and it's super simple to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I'm gonna have a lot more recipes coming soon. The full recipe is in the link below in the description. So on there, I also have a printable sheet that you can print out for free and download it with the whole recipe on there. You can even turn it into a cookbook if you like, but I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. This recipe is incredible. So I'll see you guys next time because I'm gonna eat this for lunch. Bye.